The DJI Avata 360 is finally stepping into the spotlight, and it's already stirring serious excitement among drone enthusiasts. Early leaks have revealed a design that feels both familiar and futuristic, echoing the sleek lines of the Avata 2 while introducing a more compact, flattened frame with 4-blade propellers, clearly taking inspiration from the Neo 2. The FlyMore combo elevates the style factor, matching accessories to the controller color, adding a charging hub capable of holding 3 batteries, a camera protector, and the new RC2 controller, now compatible with DJI's Zero 4 transmission technology. Even something as small as including manuals shows DJI's attention to detail. In terms of flight capabilities, the Avata 360 offers impressive versatility. FPV mode keeps the front camera active with a wide field of view while the rear lens remains off, giving pilots control without compromising safety. Propeller guards have been improved to protect the lenses, echoing the Neo 2's design philosophy. Pilots can choose from stabilized FPV mode for smooth cinematic shots, manual FPV mode for more daring maneuvers, or dive into full 360-degree mode where dual spherical lenses capture a complete 180 degrees view above and below. AI-powered software then stitches everything into stunning 8K footage, making it a dream tool for anyone serious about high-resolution, immersive aerial videography. Panoramic photography reaches 120 megapixels, while video in 8K runs at 50 frames per second, with FPV mode delivering 5K at 60 frames per second, giving creators almost limitless options. Pricing details based on Chinese market leaks suggest that the basic drone with a single battery will cost around 2,988 yuan, roughly $450. Adding the RC2 controller brings the price to 3,988 yuan, $600, and the FlyMore combo, which includes 3 batteries, a charging hub, and a carrying bag, is priced around 5,688 yuan, $800, roughly $1,000 globally. An FPV combo that includes goggles, motion controller, and all accessories comes in at the same 5,688 yuan, approximately $1,000 internationally. Beyond the impressive specs, the Avata 360 also supports gesture controls, voice commands, Wi-Fi, and potentially even Apple Watch control, reflecting how drones are becoming smarter and more integrated with everyday tech. On the performance side, the drone is expected to use DJI 4 Plus transmission, offering an impressive 20 km range with ultra-low latency and stable high-speed FPV capabilities. The battery life is estimated at 25 minutes, slightly better than the Avata 2, and with a weight of around 400 grams and expandable 128 GB storage, it balances portability with practicality. However, working with 8K 360-degree footage is no small feat. It demands experience, a high-powered computer, and patience. For those willing to tackle the challenge, the Avata 360 promises to push cinematic creativity to a new level, blending immersive 360-degree capture with autonomous and FPV flight in ways that pros and enthusiasts have long dreamed of. The hype is understandable. For anyone deeply invested in FPV, 360-degree content, or simply showing off on social media, this drone could be worth every penny. But the conversation doesn't stop there. Enter the Anti-Gravity 1, a rival that has captured the imagination of creators worldwide. Unlike the Avata 360, the One is essentially a 360 camera that happens to fly, delivering footage that feels effortless to capture. Instead of worrying about framing, angles, or camera direction mid-flight, pilots can simply focus on flying while the drone records everything around it. Later, during editing, creators can choose the exact angle they want: forward, backward, upward, downward, even toward themselves, ensuring no moment is ever missed. The appeal of the One isn't just in the specs, though they are impressive. 8K 360-degree capture with multiple export formats. Its real magic is emotional, offering a sense of freedom and liberation that pilots describe as exploring rather than operating a machine. Beginners find it incredibly stable, FPV pilots marvel at the visuals without needing advanced skills, and travel vloggers are thrilled to get both horizontal and vertical shots from a single flight. Online reactions confirm that its tiny form factor can produce footage that feels refreshingly different, ushering in a new era where presence and creative freedom matter more than piloting precision. DJI is watching closely and preparing to respond. The Avata 360, by comparison, comes from a different philosophy, It's an FPV drone that adds 360-degree capability. This distinction means the one is likely to feel smoother, calmer, and more automatic, whereas DJI's offering will deliver speed, control, and a more traditional FPV experience. Clever touches like retractable landing gear on the One ensure an unobstructed 360-degree view in the air. Though battery life is average, and editing 8K 360 footage requires significant computing power. Stitching may occasionally falter around water, trees, or close objects, so those chasing flawless cinematic shallow depth of field shots straight from the camera might still prefer DJI. Despite these challenges, the One represents a generational shift in drone filmmaking, prioritizing creativity and freedom over strict control. It opens the door for creators seeking stress-free, versatile footage and travelers who want every angle captured without constant adjustments. The Avata 360 promises to meet that freedom while adding DJI's renowned stability and performance. Once it launches, the competition between these two drones could reshape the landscape, pushing the boundaries of what we expect from aerial cinematography. Ultimately, the choice comes down to style. If you crave creative liberty, minimal stress, and the ability to select your angles after the flight, the anti-gravity One sets a new standard. If your preference leans towards speed, hands-on control, and the adrenaline of classic FPV flying, the DJI Avata 360 is likely worth the wait. Both drones herald exciting possibilities, but they reflect two distinct visions of the future of drone filmmaking, giving creators more freedom than ever to capture the world from every perspective. This evolving rivalry isn't just about specs or tech. It's about redefining how we explore, document, and experience the skies. The DJI Avata 360 and the anti-gravity One are more than drones. They're tools that challenge the very notion of what aerial storytelling can be, ushering in a new era where creativity, presence, and freedom take flight.